We are now going to look at filtering your data. When you have an active bus running and you want to look at some refined filtered information, click the filtering button for options of how you can filter your messages. As you saw, we entered the filtering from the incoming CanData view. We will start by hiding all the values. Let us initially start by looking at a range of IDs. For example, let us look at only IDs from 1 to 200. I will show those IDs, so you can see the particular checkboxes for that filter parameter. Let's hide them again, and then show all messages again. You also have the ability to include the same filter settings in other tabs. For example, let us look at the filtered set. We will include them in the log file area. Now when we switch over to the log file tab and go back to the filtered settings, we can adjust them there the same way. The same behavior works for the DBC file area. The last option is if I'm on a live bus that may have new data coming in. If it is within the range of the filter, it will also hide that data for unfiltered IDs automatically. You also have the option to save the filter settings. This way, you can recall them back for another session. Thank you, and we'll see you on the next video.